This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. A customer walks into the office and asks for the deadline to file a permit application. You do not know the answer. It would be best for you to do which of the following. Option D. Inform the person that you don't know but will find out. A person approaches you and tells you of many complaints he has about your department. You should first. Option B. Check into the legitimacy of the complaints. Assume that you are taking a telephone message for a co-worker who is not in the office at the time of the following. The least important item to write on the message is the option A, length of the call. A customer has come into your office and submitted an application. When you give her someone form to complete, she complains about all the bureaucratic red tape that is slowing down approval of her application. In which of the following ways should you respond to the customer? Option B. Tell her the reasons why your office needs the information. You overhear your boss giving a client the name of a person to contact for some information. You know this person is no longer the one to reach for this information. The client is still in the office. What, if anything, should you do? Option D. Give the individual the correct name and explain that your boss was not aware of a different person being responsible to provide the information. You are helping a computer illiterate friend set up his internet connection over the phone. He is just not getting what you are trying to explain. How much time to do you spend explaining it to him? Option A. I had work with him for as long as it takes. Your friend, co-worker starts to get on your nervous. What would be your most likely response? Option D. I would explain what is bothering me and ask for some time to myself. When conversing with clients who have a less extensive vocabulary, that is, lower education level. Option D. I adjust my speech to their level. Customers who complain. Option D. Are doing you a service in identifying what isn't working in your business or organization. The best reward for your customer service representatives is option C, recognition and appreciation on your part. For a company to be considered service oriented, option D, customer service must be addressed by all departments. Customer service culture is option D, an environment where customer service permits the thinking of the entire company. Which of the following is best understood as a period of time during which a customer interacts directly with a service? Option B, service encounters. When there is little or no personal contact between customer and service provider, this is classified as option B, low contact service. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel ITI MCQ Guru. Like, share and comment.